Hi there, in this video we're just going to have a quick overview of the content management system, languages and how the shopping cart component works with those languages. The first thing you will notice when you look at the website is that the languages have already been set up. If you have a look over in the top right hand corner here, we have a couple of language flags. So because my browser is default set to English, it will automatically display English, but if somebody's using a Spanish browser, it will switch to Spanish. You'll see there it goes to excursions or excursiones rather than excursions. One of the other things we need to do as well is tie these menu items into the appropriate language, and I'll show you how we do that right now. First things first is the languages. So if you go to the extensions area and click languages, you'll see under content languages we have two languages loaded because we want the website in two languages. And if we go to the menus, you'll see we have two menus, and on the English menu we have home set as the default page. And if we go to the Spanish menu, we have Inicio set as the home page. And that's basically how the languages are presented. We have other videos on how to set this up and configure it, but it's already done for you. The main thing you will be doing is translating content and products. So we'll jump straight into that. If we go to the components and into the online shop, we have lots of videos about how to configure the online shop, but we don't have one for languages, which is why we're doing this one. So we'll switch over to products, and we can see here we already have one product loaded. If we go into the product, you can see that we have two options for the different languages, English and Spanish. And you'll see here in English we have the name of the product, and then we have a short description, and then we have a longer description, which I'm going to show you how that looks on the website. And then we have it in Spanish. That realistically is all that you need to know about adding the products in different languages. Everything else is done automatically by the system. The only other thing really is the options, and we have these covered in other videos as well, so that different options can be selected for different products. And we'll just see how that looks on the website. So if we go to the website now and click excursions, it takes us to the first category, water sports, and then we'll open up the jet ski. So right now it's displayed in English, but if I click on the Spanish flag, it switches into Spanish. You'll see there we have it in Spanish as well. One of the other cool things about this shop is if you select a different product based on the options in the back end, the price dynamically changes as well. And as I said, we have other videos on how to configure the individual products, and I'll link to those in the video for you.